bean, coffee plant, yeah, and that one the bean. You see two different color, yeah, red and green, yeah.
Yes.
So the red color, so that the coffee is ready to harvest, but the green color not ready yet.
Okay.
And Robusta coffee, they have a big leaf. Arabica, they have a smaller leaf.
Okay.
And the taste, Robusta coffee more stronger, more bitter. Because they has more caffeine, 2.2% caffeine.
Caffeine. Yes.
And this one, chocolate.
Yes. Those are cacao pods.
Yes. Yeah. But this color, yeah, red color, not ready yet. If with
The
the
yellowish.
yellow, yeah, they ripe, they become yellow or orange color.
Orange.
On the fruit, there are many bean inside. Around 30 until 40 bean inside. But small bean, yeah.
Smaller.
Yeah.
Oh.
There are two. You see, two bean inside.
Okay.
This two. And you know, musang kopi.
Yeah, musang.
Yeah. So that animal, when
Yes.
they eat this kopi, yeah, they like only the skin.
Oh, so they live behind the seed.
The seed they just swallow. They chew only the skin, and the bean they just swallow.
And then they
They
poop.
process, but they can't digest it.
Yeah,
Yes.
then they
That
poop.
they poop.
And then that's the one which is the luwak.
Luwak, yeah, yeah. And
What's this?
you see the musang, yeah.
Or the poops.
Yeah.
And then
And then-
where is the bean?
This is after clean.
Then you clean that.
Yeah.
It becomes like this.
And the next process, we take out the skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Once
so
you take out the skin,
yeah, and then become like
it
this.
becomes like this. So it's like pistachio.
Yeah, and the next process.
And then
Then
you
you
roast. You roast it. Then you roast it like this one. Okay. And then this is the roasted product.
And then
And then you do the mashing. And then it becomes like this.
Put here, and then we sieve.
We sift.
Filter.
so it's fine.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's milder.
smells good.
Luwak coffee. So this coffee is the special coffee from Bali.
This is the luwak coffee, and we will taste it. It has no sugar, and it's freshly brewed. The different coffees being produced by Coffee Center. No sugar to, no? Purong-puro. Mild lang naman. Not that strong.
Para siyang barako eh.
Oo. Pero mas mahal sa Barako.
Yun ang different.
This one is the Bali coffee, where we are now. We are in Bali.
Tapang.
Matapang, strong and powdery. This one,
Smooth, no?
smooth.
Oo.
So the
Strong
coffee-
din, pero not,
Yeah.
not,
I like this one better.
oo, parang barakot.
Taste the other one.
This is the Bali ko.
The Bali coffee. Merong sumasabit.
Bitter. Oo.
Yeah.
Oo, no.
I got your emotion.
Next.
Next,
This
what's
is
this?
the cocoa, Bali cocoa. I think pag may sugar to, masarap. Masarap.
The Bali
Sarap sa
cocoa.
No. Yeah.
This is for champurrado.
Yes, masarap. Masarap.
So let's try the ginseng coffee. This is for our memory, for our age. This is very
Yes,
good.
yes. Ginseng and for
I hope it tastes good.
for vitality.
Revitalize.
Oo, to revitalize.
Sweet. Kunyari ka pa, titingin ka naman. Oh, di ba?
Uy, masarap.
Sarap. Oh. Sa tingin mo, hindi ko kukuhanan yung emotion na yon. Oh. That's very natural.
Masarap, inumin ko na to.
Huwag mo ubusin.
Okay, nga eh.
Masarap siya. That's the ginseng coffee. I think we can drink that in the morning. What? Okay, so this is lemongrass.
Tatry ko ng coconut para marami-rami pa to.
Uy, masarap din ang lemongrass. Lemongrass
Masarap din
tastes
to.
good.
Coconut.
What's that, coconut? Try the lemongrass. Natural. Naturally sweet then also.
How the taste? Masarap.
Everything is good.
So far.
This
So
one, the Bali coffee is very, very strong.
Yeah, so Bali coffee is morning coffee in Bali. To wake up.
Ah, okay. To wake you up. What's that, Janet?
Ginger.
Ginger, and
With
this
the
one,
ginger
vanilla.
It's
Yeah, but really good
for sore throat.
yeah, stomach problem.
Everything has no sugar.
We add the sugar.
You add
But
sugar.
we add honey, all the tea with honey,
Oh.
and then coffee with the brown sugar, except Bali coffee and luwak coffee.
Ano to? Vanilla.
That's
Sarap.
vanilla.
Masarap,
Ginger is
masarap.
strong for the throat.
Oh, yeah, ginger. The ginseng is also good.
Ginseng
Yeah, we
coffee.
like the ginseng, the coconut,
And the vanilla.
vanilla, and the lemongrass.
Lemongrass
is good.
Ginger masarap din.
Pero medyo hindi siya pwedeng pang everyday.
Correct, correct.
That's the Bali,
Bali
coffee,
coffee and
and
cocoa.
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 What's Rosella tea?
Rosella
What's
flower
Rosella?
is
Rosella flower.
still family of hibiscus.
Okay.
Parang Milo.
Oh, kasi with cocoa.
Yeah.
It's with cocoa.
Coffee with cacao.
So the kids will like
young
this.
people, they will like.
Rosella has a taste of parang may strawberry siya kasama niya.
Fruity.
Fruity. Yeah, that's the perfect description. This is fruity. What's that? Mangosteen.
Refreshing. Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
Citrusy.
Turmeric. Turmeric assist. Turmeric. That's the lemon tea.
Sarap.
Tingnan. I like the lemon tea.
Yes. Oh, turmeric din.
No, turmeric and lemon tea lang.
All,
Okay.
kadek. All.
This is good.
Yeah, masarap.
Masarap.
Everything is good.
Yes,
Especially if it's free.
gratis.
Because
These are all gratis coffee.
Yeah.
except this one.
Except the special
We
coffee.
have, yeah.
Now this is the final, the
Coffee.
Luwak coffee, sorry,
Yeah.
which is very expensive, and we'll take a sip for our friend Anna, whom we missed so much on this trip. This is for you, Anna.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Salamat.